does affiliate marketing actually work, right? So I'll be taking you to Amazon, right? This is Amazon, right? So with Amazon, they've got millions of products here online, from the latest phones to tools and everything. So affiliate marketing, it really does work, but it takes a lot of work for you to get an income, or unless you have got a lot of experience. Because when you have experience, you'll be more confident. When you're starting out, you shouldn't give up, because you didn't make money today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. You have to keep pushing until you see some results, right? It works. It doesn't matter what year it is, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 and beyond. It will still work. It's a business model that will work maybe for the next decade or for the next 15 years. It's gonna work for a very long time. So you just have to keep on trying. So you just have to go down. If you want to join, you go to Amazon, then you go down. You can sell anything here. That's an interesting part. To the latest devices, right? You go to an option that says become an affiliate here, and make money with us, become an affiliate, right? You just refer links to people, and then you can earn an income if people buy. And then here is the affiliate account, right? So in the affiliate account, you see I've made 98 cents. So it shows that it still works. Then I've made it on December 2021, and I don't do this thing every day. I do it sometimes I don't work, but then you can still make money from affiliate marketing. You just have to keep on trying, then you'll make money. You don't have to give up. You can see people are still clicking. 2021 December and January, they are clicking. They have clicked. Even on the 5th of January, people were clicking. So they will buy. They will still buy. They will still buy. Some days are not the same as others. Maybe some days you'll make more money, some days you don't make money. That's how business works. So you have to keep on trying. You will earn money. There's a lot of things to sell. Sometimes people go to the shop and they don't buy. They can click your link and don't buy. The other day they will buy one day. So remember, you have to keep trying. Don't give up. This thing still works. So I urge you to join. It doesn't matter where you are from. Just join and keep on pushing, keep on grinding. You'll make money one day. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.